Are you ready?
Yeah, of course. Always born ready.
This is the 4th summer school in modern method in biostatistics.
I think this is one of the greatest courses that I've taken part in. And it definitely met and I would say exceeded expectations as well.
We usually start with the lectures, which contain some more mathematical details, but not too much. And then afterwards, we really apply the knowledge we just gained in our practical. And I think that's a great way to learn new stuff.
I'm a bioinformatician by training. Throughout my PhD, I've always felt that I wasn't quite there in the same page whenever I discussed my thesis on clinical trials. Going to this course has really made me realize the complexities and how relevant biostatistics is to my current field. And I'm pretty confident that in my following years for my PhD, I can integrate all my data very well.
I work in Switzerland in the Philip Morris International in the clinical department as a biostatistician. I'm working a lot with real-world evidence studies and focusing a lot on time-to-event analysis. And this has really been useful, focusing on excess hazard. This is going to be extremely useful for the studies that I'm working on.
It's taking place in Corsica. And it's also a great experience to actually go there, of course. I'm not going to deny that that's also part of the charm of this summer course for me. That is it's like the cherry on top of this course. Yeah.
It's quite difficult to reach it, but when you reach it, man, it's beautiful. It's surrounded by mountains and by nature. I really like it. I really enjoyed also the lunch with the lecturers because it was an opportunity to meet them, but also speaks about biostatistics and methodologies.
They were always available and always happy to discuss, basically, so that was a really great part of it.
Discussing these questions now made me realize that the course, because I do have some background in excess risk models, and for me the course was super useful and helpful and interesting. And for you, as a bioinformatician moving into the field of biostatistics more, it also was. So I think somehow it manages to strike a really good balance for different kind of backgrounds.
Indeed. What's nice about it is we're all open to each other, we're all willing to learn, and being in such a peaceful environment such as Corte allows us to really support each other and push each other further, and not just in our careers but in our personal lives as well. I find that I have found not just colleagues here, but I'd like to say friends as well.
Yeah, I definitely hope to run into many people who take this course somewhere in the future for sure.
Definitely.
Yeah.